In today's video, I will show you how to download the Canva application on your computer. First, visit the Canva website.
I never really know what's going on.
Then click on the computer icon in the top corner of the screen. Canva has 4 download versions for devices such as Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. Please select the appropriate download for your device. Then we just need to click download. Canva. Next, we just need to click after completing the download and select Run. Let's pretend we are now done downloading the Canva app.